Hey, what up? We in Vonte's world.
Monte's world.
Vonte's world. We're just living in it.
Yeah, okay. Yeah.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Alright y'all, so we're back. I'm continuing this project that I got going on with this truck right now. So far we got both of the back wheels, both of the back brakes are changed, both of the back rotors are painted, and both of the back rims are painted. So let me show y'all. I got this jacket over here because I was sanding and I didn't want to get anything on it. But as y'all can see right there, you know, we got the red rotors in the back with the nice black wheels, and they really popping. I like the way, you know, I like that combo right there. So let me show y'all the other side. So yeah, as y'all can see, both back wheels are painted, and both calipers are painted. So now we get ready to work on the front rims. We got those already taken off, prepped up, clean, and everything ready to go. About to get started on those real soon. But we also got, y'all can see up in here, let me see, like get some light. We got the calipers in the front painted with the primer. So they're ready to go with the red paint. So I'm about to get started on both of those right now. But I also wanted y'all to see the progress on this rust that I've been working on. So if y'all remember from the last video, I was doing the trunk, but it was also some pieces around the car that were rusted. So I started working on those, patched those up, and we got everything pretty much smoothly sanded and ready to get painted. But I'm gonna go over it one more time with some 2000 grit sandpaper just to make sure it's extra smooth before we put the paint on it. So, and then once I paint it with the primer, I'm gonna sand that again too, just to get it smooth. We want smooth is the key word here, you know what I'm saying? We want everything nice and smooth. So sand that down after I put the primer on it, and then we'll put the top coat on, you know what I'm saying? So this is what it's looking like. As y'all can see, if y'all remember from the last video or the last clip, it was really rough and caked on there. Now it's nice and smooth. This is what you want. You should be able to run your fingers over the Bondo and your regular paint and not feel any type of difference. It should feel the exact same. Like, you shouldn't feel any bumps or lumps or anything. It should be nice and smooth. So we got that all smooth, and down here is smooth as well. As y'all can see, the little pink spots on there. I ran out of fiberglass Bondo, so I just used regular Bondo, which I already had, just to make it all the way complete, instead of just buying a whole another can of fiberglass Bondo just to touch up these little spots right here. So it's still gonna come out good. We gotta sand it again with the 2000 grit just to get it nice and smooth. As y'all can remember, it was a nice fat hole over here, and we got this nice and smooth as well. So we're gonna go over this again with the 2000 grit just to make it super duper smooth. Here, you know, this is all filled in, the rust is eliminated. But like I said, we still gotta sand this one more time. And it was a nice hole, and as you can probably see, this little pink spot right here is exactly where the hole was at. So we got that all filled in and patched up nicely. It's nice and smooth. You can't tell anything when you run your fingers over it. Feel nice and smooth. You can't tell the difference from this and this. So that's what you want to make your paint come out nice. And we had a little spot over here, so I filled that in. That's good. And we have some spots up here at the top of the doors. So those are filled in nicely, nice and smooth here. And we had this last spot right here, which you got to get sanded again with 2000. I'm sanding this whole, every part that I touch, I'm sanding it again with 2000 grit sandpaper just to make sure it's extra smooth. So wanted to give y'all an update real quick, because the next clip y'all see, everything is going to be done. The rims are going to be done, the calipers are going to be done. This is all going to be sanded down, and I should be ready for paint after that. So yeah, that's what's going to happen in the next clip, man. So stay tuned into the video. Hit the like button right now if you're new to the channel. Subscribe, because we doing a giveaway at 1,500 subs. I do have the wheels painted. The wheels are painted and the calipers are painted as well, as you can see. So we got both the front and back wheels painted. So yeah, that part of the process is complete at this point. All of the little rust spots and everything are completely sanded down. They're completely smooth. I cleaned them with alcohol and everything. So they're completely smooth. All sanded down nice and clean. Some of the trunk area over here, as y'all can see, if it'll focus, yeah. So everything is clean, looking good. We got the nice wheels. Look at the motherfucking wheels. Yes, sir. Everything's clean and patched up.
And subscribe to my YouTube channel and my Uncle Bob's YouTube channel and my brother's YouTube channel, because they all of us got YouTube channels.
Actually, I got the Rex with me. Rex. Actually, I got the recipe. Yeah. Actually, these niggas mad at me. Why? Mad at me cause I smash his freak. Damn. Actually, ain't no cap with me. No cap. Your Majesty. Yeah, bitch, I'm a king.